Okay, so I want to differentiate the idea between potential difference and potential. So another word for potential difference is the voltage across. So for example, you can see the battery has 9 volts. So it tells you the amount of energy that's being supplied by the battery. So the battery has 9 volts, so we don't call it like voltage. So to differentiate that is actually a voltage of the electrical source, we call it electromotive force. It's like a term. Okay, so it's actually a voltage of the electrical source. Now, so let me just color this so you would understand the difference between potential and potential difference. So for example, this part of the wire connecting the battery and the light bulb, it's pink. I'm going to color the entire wire pink. And the part that connects the other side of the battery, the other terminal of the battery, to the light bulb, I'm going to color it blue. Okay, so the wires that are colored of the same color will be at the same potential. So it's like a same level. Okay, so which means that this one, the potential the potential itself of this wire is the electric potential of this wire is at 9 volts, for example, and the potential of this other wire is at 0 volt. So when this happens, the potential difference across the bulb. So as you can see, across the bulb, one side of the bulb is connected to the pink and the other side of the bulb is connected to the blue. So the potential difference would be equal to the 9 volt minus 0 volt, which is 9 volt. So when you measure using a voltmeter, which I have here, a digital voltmeter, as long as I place on one of my terminal of the voltmeter placed on the blue wire, and as long as I place it on the other terminal, I place it on the pink wire, I will have a potential difference of 9 volt. So that's the idea of what potential difference mean. Now, what happens if I have an additional light bulb? Okay, let's look at this. So I'm going to disconnect this here, and I'm going to place another light bulb or maybe a resistor. Okay, let's put another resistor. Okay, and I'm going to change the value of the resistor to, say, 20. Okay, and I'm going to close the circuit. All right, now, so I'm going to again color, make use of the color. So the wire between one terminal of the, so between one terminal of the battery to the other, to the other end of the resistor, okay, and the other one I'm going to color it blue. Okay, so let's have a standard thing so it's easier to look at. So this will be so these blue color, the wires that are blue, that I've colored blue, will be at the same potential. I probably have to use another color now because we have another wire in between. So we can't color it blue, nor can we color it pink because it's not of the same potential because there's already a resistor connected here. So here. So there we have 3 wires of 3 different potentials. Okay, now, so the wire, so how do we know what potential it is at? So by looking, so one way is I'm going to make use of my voltmeter. So from here to here, the potential difference is 3 volt. So the potential difference across the bulb here, so the potential difference equals to 3 volt. And I'm going to put my voltmeter to the other terminal. across the resistor here. All right, so my potential difference here is 6 volts. All right, now, therefore, I can tell that my potential of the pink color wire is still at the highest, so it's like 9 volts. So the potential of the pink wire is at 9 volts. But in order for the potential difference across the resistor to be 6 volts, that means the potential of my green wire, well, you probably can guess it. So the potential is at 3 volts. And therefore, the potential of my blue wire will be at 0 volts, such that you can see the potential difference across the bulb is 3 volt. The potential difference across the resistor is 6 volt. So there's a difference when you use the word potential and potential difference. So of course, another term that we use for potential difference, we can say that the voltage across the bulb is also 3 volts. We can also use the word voltage across. Right, so this is the concept for potential and potential difference.